So we just finished assembling the two bookshelves that we got from Amazon. We just moved into a new office and we wanted some shelf space. So we got these. It's actually a 6-tier bookcase shelving unit. It measures approximately 6 feet tall by around 2.5 foot long and about 1 foot wide. You can get the exact measurements from the Amazon listing, I'm sure. But yeah, very simple to assemble. You can see this is all the pieces. You got the bag of screws, nuts and bolts, and the Allen key that you'll need to assemble this. We did actually use a power screwdriver as well, just to speed the process up. But yeah, very simple. It has this back support here. You get 2 back supports. That's to obviously just stop it, anything falling off the back. If it's books, for instance, that you're using on it, it's got squared edges on it. They're not very sharp or anything. Nice finish to it. Quality's good. So yeah, generally really pleased. I think for the price wise, I think it's a pretty good buy, to be fair. Yeah, very happy with it.